This week on Beyond Innovation.
The main idea here is to really reduce the amount of paint we're using, because dumping a lot of paint in the ocean is becoming a huge concern. And we are able to really cut the amount of paint used for a single vessel by 50%.
Well, underground, there's this massive circulatory system that we call mycorrhizal fungi, and these networks exist because plants feed them carbon. As the fungi are being fed, this helps bring CO2 levels down. It helps limit global warming.
All you have to do is install our app on your mobile phone, input your home address, just like with any other on-demand delivery service. And if you're in our serviceable area, you can start ordering from a hamburger to a taco to Tylenol or milk, whatever you need. The drone delivery itself, on average, takes 3 to 4 minutes. That's it.